Good afternoon, you are welcomed by Citadel Watch. The Sinn 6100 Classic Regulateur Silver Wristwatch is an exclusive men's watch created by Sinn, a brand renowned for its craftsmanship and innovation in the world of watchmaking. This watch is the epitome of elegance and functionality, designed for true connoisseurs of time. One of the main features of this model is its 44mm stainless steel case. This case has an exquisite radiance and durability that makes the Sinn 6100 watch resistant to everyday use and endows it with a long service life. The protective sapphire crystal used in this model not only provides a high degree of protection against scratches and damage, but also gives the Sinn 6100 a classic and refined look. The watch is complemented by a high-quality alligator leather strap, which not only gives a unique style, but also provides comfort during wear. The movement of this model is mechanical, which emphasizes the outstanding craftsmanship of watchmakers from Switzerland, the world's center of watchmaking. With a power reserve of 34 hours, this watch provides accurate and reliable timekeeping. Despite its sophistication, the Sinn 6100 Classic Regulateur Silver watch is water-resistant, which provides protection against splashes and unexpected water hazards. The functionality of this model is limited to hours, minutes, and seconds, which are arranged vertically and each hand has its own axis. This makes it a great choice for those who appreciate minimalistic and classic design and unusual appearance. The dial of the watch is in new condition, which guarantees excellent time visibility and keeps it stylish for years to come. Overall, the Sinn 6100 Classic Regulateur Silver is a watch that embodies Swiss quality, reliability, and sophisticated style. They are ideal for modern men who appreciate high quality and elegance in every detail. Good shopping and have a great day.